Busting animal myths in 5 minutes. 1. Bulls hate the color red. Bulls are actually colorblind to red. They charge at the matadors movement, not the color of the cape. 2. Ostriches bury their heads in the sand. Ostriches don't bury their heads in the sand when scared. They lower their heads to the ground to blend in with the surroundings. 3. Goldfish have 3-second memories. Goldfish have decent memories and can remember things for months. They can even be trained to do tricks. 4. Porcupines shoot their quills. Porcupines can't shoot their quills. Quills are loosely attached and come off easily when touched, but they don't actively shoot them. 5. Bats are blind. Bats aren't blind. They can see. However, they primarily rely on echolocation to navigate and hunt for prey in the dark. 6. Camels store water in their humps. Camels store fat in their humps, not water. The fat can be converted into water and energy when needed. 7. Dogs sweat through their tongues. Dogs primarily cool down through panting and releasing heat through their paw pads, not by sweating through their tongues. 8. Touching a baby bird will make its parents reject it. Most birds have a poor sense of smell and won't abandon their chicks just because they've been touched by humans. 9. Elephants are afraid of mice. There's no evidence that elephants are afraid of mice. They might be startled by sudden movements, but mice don't cause fear in them. 10. Bats get tangled in your hair. Bats are skilled flyers and use echolocation to avoid obstacles, including humans. They won't purposefully fly into your hair. 11. Sharks can smell a drop of blood from miles away. While sharks have an excellent sense of smell, they can't detect a drop of blood from miles away. It's more like they can detect small concentrations of blood in the water, but the distance varies depending on factors like water current and wind. 12. Dogs only see in black and white. Dogs do see colors, just not as vividly as humans. They have dichromatic vision, meaning they see a limited range of colors compared to humans who have trichromatic vision. 13. Sloths are lazy. Sloths have a slow metabolism and move slowly to conserve energy, but they're not lazy. They have adapted to their environment and move efficiently to survive. 14. Cats always land on their feet. While cats have remarkable agility and reflexes, they don't always land on their feet. It depends on factors like the height of the fall and the cat's ability to react in time. 15. Chameleons change color to camouflage. Chameleons change color for various reasons, including communication, regulating body temperature, and expressing emotions. While camouflage is one reason, it's not the only one. 16. You can outrun a hippo. Hippos may look slow on land, but they can run surprisingly fast, reaching speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, 18 miles per hour. You definitely can't outrun them. 17. Dogs only wag their tails when they're happy. While wagging tails can indicate happiness, dogs also wag their tails when they're anxious, fearful, or feeling threatened. 18. Mice love cheese. Contrary to popular belief, mice don't actually prefer cheese. They have a sweet tooth and are more attracted to high-calorie foods like grains and fruits. 19. Bats suck blood. While there are vampire bat species that feed on blood, the vast majority of bats are insectivores and fruit eaters. They don't suck blood from humans or other animals. 20. Owls can turn their heads 360 degrees. While owls have flexible necks that allow them to turn their heads to impressive angles, they can't rotate a full 360 degrees. Their range of motion is about 270 degrees. 21. Rabbits love carrots above all. While rabbits enjoy carrots, they should only be given in moderation as treats. Their diet primarily consists of hay, leafy greens, and a small amount of pellets. 22. Honeybees die after stinging. While honeybees do die after stinging a human or other mammal, it's not because their stinger gets stuck. It's because their stinger is barbed and tears away from their body. This causes significant damage to the bee, leading to its eventual death due to abdominal rupture and internal injuries. Thanks for exploring these animal myths with me. Remember, understanding the truth about animals helps us appreciate and coexist with them better. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting content. We will be back with more. Until next time, goodbye.